Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make dangles using the herringbone weave. I'll make a pair of earrings and a pendant. So if you want to see how I made these, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, let's get started. So I'm sticking with the herringbone weave theme for another week here. In my last video I made a herringbone bead link bracelet. So this week I want to make danglies using the same herringbone weave, just a little different. And I want to make a pair of earrings and a little pendant to go with my bracelet. And these are rose quartz beads that I have. They're oval shaped, but they're flat. It's my favorite type of bead to do the herringbone weave on, but you can use round beads as well, any bead you like. So when I made bead links, I don't know if you caught that video, but I used 20 gauge wire as my base wire. But this time I'm going to use just 24 gauge. Since these are dangles, there won't be a lot of force put on them, so you won't need a thicker gauge wire. So 24 gauge will do just fine. And for these size beads, I'm going to go with about 10 inches for each dangly. Just going to pull it out a little bit. So 2 inches in. I'm going to make a wrapped loop, a nice elongated one. I usually eyeball it, but today I'm going to measure just so everybody's equal. Everybody's as equal in size as I can get. Sterling silver always tends to be a little on the stiffer side. So getting this last little bit tightened is tricky. Just gonna twist it with my fingers within my flat nose pliers to get everything nice and tight. And then cinch it up. All right, and let's do everybody else. Two inches. Try to remember where you're making your loop on your round nose pliers so they stay the same size. These should be matching. Okay, great. Okay, so we have our wrapped loop. Bring your wire up the back and bring it around and to the front and off to the side. Okay, and then you're gonna wrap the bead around, or wrap the wire around the front of the bead and go up to the top and go around once. Go around again, go over the top. Feed your bead on. Pick a side. I like that side. Bring your wire up the back. Swing it around. So it comes out one side. And then start wrapping it around your bead. Go up above, kind of hold your wrap in place, go over the top of your coil, come alongside behind the previous wire, bring it around, go up above, and that earring we went 3 times around, so we'll do the same with this one. Three times around, and then finish off your wire. Snip that off. Alright, so now we have a pair of earrings. Just need to grab some ear wires. Okay, so I don't have any ear wires. I have these 3mm ball posts with the little dangle off the end here. And we're gonna hang our earrings off this. Just gonna pull it off to the side a little bit, throw our earring on, and close it back up again. Throw an ear nut on. These are sterling silver, and I get them from Monster Slayer. monsterslayer.com. Yeah, if I want ear hooks, I have to make them myself. I just don't feel like it right now. Here's how they look on posts. Not too shabby. Okay, so I have a pair of earrings and a pendant. The pendant I just threw on a nice chunky jump ring that's big enough to accommodate a cord or a necklace. Alright, so I think that's it. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.